Josh here. Got a cool one for you. So I don't know if you guys know this or not, but China is lifting their COVID lockdowns, or has lifted a decent amount of their COVID lockdowns that lasted much longer than ours. And they also have started quantitative easing, which is the opposite of what the U.S. is doing, right? So they're lowering interest rates, which is good for stocks for them. So if you take a look at kind of the Chinese market, this is Baba. A lot of people know this, Alibaba. You can see it was in this long downward channel, right? Just like humming along. Then it found a bottom here, did a very small reverse head and shoulders, and is now in the process of breaking out, right? This is a rather large breakout today at a 7%, and we're seeing that MACD cross that zero line. So I think this is a powerful signal. I had bought some actually kind of down here initially. If we get a pullback, I'll buy more. But I think you should watch this. I think you should look for a pullback in Baba to buy, or even buy into the strength, because realistically, we should gap up. You know, this is the volume peak, so we're kind of settling in here. But we could gap up the whole way to 126 on this 200-day moving average. I also wanted to show you guys this. If you continue on the China thought, this is a China ETF. Again, large downward channel. Found a bottom similar to Baba, this ETF with many holdings, as I mentioned, and is now breaking out beyond this volume profile peak. Right, we're actually way up here at this point. So this one, again, room to run up to the 200-day at 38. And then one more for you guys. FXI. This is a large cap China ETF, kind of similar pattern, right? You see that drop, you see that reverse head and shoulders, downward channel, and the breakout. So we'll be watching these closely to see if we get that rally up into the 200-day, or if we'll be buying on a pullback here. If you want to get really aggressive, there's also yin, like yin and yang, and yin is the leveraged ETF. This one has not kind of had the same motion because leveraged it's 3x leverage on the day, so it kind of compounds on itself in either direction. But again, still similar pattern. So we're looking for a nice breakout and rally. I'm playing this as a long-term trade. I believe the Chinese economy has grown much more than the stock market. So I think you're in for a long run here on China rallying, especially on their quantitative easing. So I hope this helps, guys. Enjoy the day.